on Pep
Pep
Talk.
Talk! Ayan. Hi, Jesselet.
Hello!
Okay, pag-usapan natin ang love life. Parang ang sarap pag-usapan kasi usapin yung puso.
Correct. Inspired
Kumusta yung heart
pa man
mo?
din si
Kumusta yung puso
Jazz.
mo ngayon?
Masaya.
Kinikilig!
Correct.
Kung yung sa'yo masaya, anong klaseng saya? Anong klaseng, ano bang meron? Sino ba nandiyan sa puso mo?
Alam niyo naman kung sino ni. Kailangan pa bang sabihin?
Sam, in fairness. Uy, alam mo, actually, before, may nakita kami sa Instagram na nag-post ka ng picture ni Sam nung bata pa siya. Kumusta siya nun? Nung bata ba siya, did you ever think, nung na-meet mo siya sa ASAP, did you ever think that you'd be this close now that you're grown up?
Actually, no. Kasi nakatira na ako sa Australia nung una ko siyang na-meet. So, there was never a chance for an actual friendship to evolve. Pero we kept in touch through social media and we had mutual friends. So, never naging random yung kung mag-usap kami or magkikita kami somewhere. Nakakagulat lang, ay, nandito ka pala, yung mga ganun na moments. Pero, it's always been there, yung namin. Yun.
Are you officially together?
Nasagot na niya na yan.
Ikaw, coming from you, ano?
Whatever he says.
May date?
So you're dating?
Yeah.
May date? May
Ah.
anniversary date?
Huh?
Celebrate ba kayo ng mansary, anniversary? Ano yung official date niya talaga?
Ano? Every day.
Wow!
Every day! Yun.
Inspired?
Yeah, of course.
Paano kanya sinusuyo? Paano kanya nililigawan? Paano ba siya pumunta sa bahay niyo? Sinusundot hatid? Paano ba? Sundot hatid, no?
Usually kapag free day namin pareho, sinusundo niya ako para mag-lunch kami somewhere. And then, like any other two people na gustong mag-date, mag-hangout, we go out for the rest of the day, tapos pagka gabi na, after dinner, hinahatid niya na ako pa uwi.
Ano yung pinaka-romantic gesture na nagawa sa'yo ni Sam?
Madami na naman, but I think one of the most known by the public is nung concert niya, nilapitan niya ako, tapos kumanta kami ng sabay ng song niya.
Pero yung sa'yo, yung personal, yung talagang para sa'yo na kahit simple lang, pero talagang, wow, na-touch ka talaga dun sa ginawa niya. Ano kaya yun?
Sa akin na yun. Sa akin na yun.
Okay.
Wow.
Pero
Parang gusto mo rin magkaroon ng ganun? Rachel?
Siyempre naman, di ba na tayo inspired? Pero nung pag nag-uusap kayo, ano yung, napag-usapan niyo ba na nung bata kayo, ano na yung impression niyo sa isa't isa noon, tas yung ngayon, ganun pa rin ba?
Of course, napag-usapan na namin yan. Natatawa na lang kami kapag the topic comes up again. Kasi before, sobrang awkward namin sa isa't isa. Although nag-uusap na naman kami, pagka nakikita kami, syempre iba. Kasi through online lang naman kami nag-usap noon. And prior to online, siguro once or twice lang kami nagkita. And nung we started hanging out regularly, yeah, the topic came up na parang this is how I used to think of you. Kala ko, ganito ka. Yung pala, kengkoy ka, or nakakatawa ka pala.
What's with Sam? Anong mga katangian niya na parang, oh, ito na yun. This is my man. Ganun.
Grabe naman yung this is my man.
Hindi ba?
20 pa lang naman ako, di ba? Let's live in the moment.
Para sa akin pala
Let's
yun.
live in
Para
the
sa akin yung
moment.
Rachel, no? Oh, parang siya na. Oh.
Siya na.
Grabe yung
Para sa
sana.
ngayon, para sa ngayon lang.
Living in the moment tayo. The qualities of Sam that I like the most are, of course, magalang siya sa mga tao. Magalang siya sa akin, most importantly, sa mama ko. And he's very generous with time. He's always willing to go out of his way to see me when he has the chance. He also takes me out for dinner, lunch. And he's just very sweet. Very simple things na people sometimes don't acknowledge. Yun yung mga tipong yung mga bagay na hindi napapansin ng tao, yun yung mga nagugustuhan ko tungkol sa kanya. Kasi kahit na maliit na bagay lang, minsan yun yung mas nakakapasaya sa'yo eh.
Bago tayo lumalim, may natanong ko na to sa'yo before, di ba? Dun sa gender issue, kasi di ba, natanong ko na sa'yo to sa isang
yes.
May mga nagsasabing, some is gay, some, you know,
Yeah.
anong take mo doon?
I think it's funny kasi wala namang, if it was true, edi hello, di sana hindi kami nalilink sa isa't isa or wala kaming anything, di ba? But it's so silly to have an issue like that going around. I mean, pinagtatawanan lang namin kasi alam naman ng lahat na hindi yung totoo. His fans know it's not true and he knows it's not true. I know it's not true. So yun lang naman yung importante para sa amin. Kung the public eye sees him that way, okay, bahala na sila. It's their opinion, it's their viewpoint. Wala na tayong magagawa doon.
Pero gano'n naman ba sa showbiz, Rachel, na parang mga lalaki?
Siguro dahil for the longest time, wala siyang dinidate.
Dinidate.
Tapos ngayon lang siya talagang...
Nagpursige sa'yo.
I guess so. And like you said, in this world of showbiz naman talaga, yung mga tatawagin nating pretty boys, sila yung nalilabel na gay. Though there's nothing wrong with it, sometimes there's no truth to it.
Pero ikaw, ano yung feeling na dahil nga parang sa'yo lang talaga naging very vocal si Sam na about going out with someone, di ba? I'm not sure if before meron siyang nalilink talaga, mga crush-crush. Pero ngayon na talagang...
First girlfriend ka niya?
Tanungin niyo siya!
First boyfriend mo siya?
First na
Boyfriend?
serious.
Boyfriend?
Ano ba to? First serious. I've had a boyfriend before in Australia, but I was 15. So, syempre, puppy love na. I always knew it wasn't love. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko lang yung tao.
Infatuation.
Parang ganun na nga. So, ayun. Syempre, bata pa naman ako. So, it didn't last long also. And after that, nag-mature na ako.
So, paano ka
serious boyfriend?
Kayo nagsabi nun na. Kayo nagsabi nun eh.
Paano ka mag-handle ng siguro relationship or ng special friendship now? Sabi mo nga, mas nag-mature ka na.
As much as possible, I like to keep it private. Kung ano yung mga details na pwede kong i-share na hindi ako maapektuhan if ever magbigay ng opinion yung mga tao, as much as possible sa akin na lang. Pero yung mga bagay na okay lang pag-usapan ng tao, okay lang i-share nila or ikwento nila sa mga kabarkada nila, go! I-share ko rin kasi it's part of being a public figure to also share a bit of your life to the public eye.
Sa isang launching ng isang broadband, natanong na rin dito tungkol kay nung time na pumutok yung balita, saan ka nun? Anong nasa gitna ka? Tinanong mo ba si ate? Tinanong mo si Sam? Anong take mo? Kwento ka lang ng kwento.
Okay, well, I was actually in Bulacan. Nag-shoot kami for Dementia. So, sobrang layo ko sa issue nun. When the incident happened, I was also in Bulacan. So, nagulat na lang ako. Actually, I was told already that it was going to come out. So, kinausap ko na silang pareho to understand both sides because I don't want to be taking sides and I don't want to be giving statements without being informed of what really went down. And I'm so thankful because whatever he said, she also said it. Pareho yung story nila. Nothing was out of line. They both understand each other. I understood them both. So, for me, okay. It's now up to them to deal with this because I just wanted to understand the problem or whatever happened. Kasi ayoko ngang nakikisawsaw sa gulo ng iba. Kung gulo nila yun, sa kanila na lang yun. And basta ako, nandito lang ako. I'm here for them both, but I'm not taking sides.
How are they now? Nagkasama ba kayo lately?
Actually,
the three of you or...
we were all together at Ate's concert. We were there. He was sitting right next to me with my family. And then even afterwards, we had a small, very, very short after party in the dressing room backstage. And yeah, nagpansinan sila. I mean, they've spoken about the issue. And it's just very normal for an ate to act that way, I would believe, to kind of be on guard, diba? Yun naman talaga ang mga ate. And
Protective, sabi nga niya,
protective. And then also for him, he's very he's trying naman to show his intentions, his good intentions, and but there was no bad encounters when we were all together. Everyone acknowledged each other. Nasaya kami nung gabing yun, so nothing further past what happened before.
So were you able to assure your ate on that aspect na she has nothing to worry about when it comes to Sam's intentions towards you?
Yeah, I made sure to let her know. She was the first one to tell me about what happened. And I, of course, gusto ko na rin malaman buong detalye so that when I hear it from Sam also, I know what to ask him and I know how to understand him. But, yun nga, nung ina-assure ko na si ate, she was very secure with how I felt towards her. And she understood everything that I told her and how I felt. So, naayos, wala, it was planchado.
Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Okay.
Ikaw ba does it matter to you kung yung halimbawa, when you love someone, ang kailangan may approval ng family? Or are you the type na talagang ipaglalaban mo na, hindi, you have to see na talagang okay naman tong
Tanggap ng pamilya, kumbaga.
gaya na.
Ano ba yan? That's a tough question because siguro, in my age group, yung mga taong or mga babae or mga lalaki na in love ngayon, usually sila yung mga tipo na it's us against the world. Yung mga ganyan. And I'm not like that with anyone, with any relationship I have, whether it be a boyfriend, a sister, a mom, kailangan patas lahat. Kasi same time and effort yung binibigay mo sa kanila. Hindi pwedeng nagkukulang ka sa isa tapos sasabihin mong siya lang yung kakampihan ko, bahala ka sa buhay mo. But you don't give them enough time and effort. So, hindi talaga kayo magkakaintindihan. Ako, as much as possible, I want everyone to be on the same page. And if ever hindi nagustuhan ng pamilya ko, it will just have to take time for them to accept it. But I will not be against them. Hindi ko gagamitin yon sa kanila na, bakit di mo naman siya gusto? Alam mo, hindi ako, that's their, opinion. And kailangan maintindihan ko yon. Kasi, ganun din naman ako sa kanila. And I'm so sure, kahit na 20 pa lang ako, ganun na rin yung iniisip niya for me.
Okay. Nag-away na ba kayo ni Sam? Nagkatampuan?
Of course!
Anong worst?
Sa amin na yun, diba? Pero,
Paano kanya sinusuyo?
actually, pareho kaming, ayaw namin masyadong nagtatagal yung, away. Kung meron mang issue, siya yung gusto niyang laging napag-uusapan bago matulog. Kasi, hindi naman maganda na papalipasin mo yung oras tas hindi kayo okay. But since pareho kaming nasa mundo ng showbiz, minsan hindi maiwasan na kailangan ko nang pumunta ng trabaho, so mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap. But it's nothing na sobrang OA na never namin naayos or dadating sa punto na ayoko na siyang kausapin ever. Wala pang ganun.
May nabasa rin ako na before sa mga isang article na parang...
Ang daming binabasa, Rachel.
Kaya natin yan for research, friends.
Okay.
Kapag nagkakasama, madalas ata kayong nagkakasama ni Sam kapag may time. Is it true na ikaw parang kapag nag-work ka sa Spin Nation na kailangan Sam should be with you na parang para to inspire you or whatever. Basta kailangan
Ano ba?
siya.
Oo, nabasa ko na rin yan.
May ganong issue.
Mga tao talaga naman.
Tinanong din kita dati.
Oo, actually, Sam comes with me when he has free time. Pag wala siyang ASAP the next day, because that's very early, they get called very early for that, he goes with me. But He's never been required to be at my work. Hindi naman ako mas ganadong magtrabaho pag nandun siya. Pareho lang. Pag wala siya, pag nandun siya, pag stress ako, tapos nandun siya, stress pa rin ako. Pag wala siya, stress ako, stress pa rin ako. Alam mo yung, of course, people will give it meaning. Ay, mas masaya nga kasi nandun siya. Mas
Ingit lang
inspiring
yun.
yun.
Ingit lang yun.
Bahala na sila mag-usap ng ganun. Kasi ako, of course, pag nandyan yung tao, mas lalo kang kaganahan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin dahil wala siya doon, hindi ako inspired or hindi ko ma-fulfill yung obligation ko sa work ko. Nabibigyan lang yun ng meaning. And bahala na yung mga taong ganun magsalita or mag-isip.
Anong kanta niya sa'yo?
Ewan ko sa kanya.
Yung song or...
Ha?
Yung song or what? May mga ganun.
Meron ba?
Oo.
Or parang, ano nyo lang kapag ka, ay,
Oo, kung magkasama kayo na kinakanta-kanta yung dalawa. Oo. Pusong bato, ganyan.
Pili na lang kayo ng song sa album niya.
hindi, i-pair ikaw.
May song ka ba
Like,
for him?
Or
Of course.
you associate.
Pakanta naman.
Wala. Pagod ako. Secret! Baka magasgas eh.
Pero,
May bagong balita kay Jazz. Parang
Ano?
maglilipat bahay na daw siya next week. Sino kaya sasama niya? Si Sam kaya?
Hala.
Naku, malalaman natin yan sa pagbabalik ng Pep Talk!
Ang hirap naman ng 2 items. Baka di ko mahulaan yung second item.
Okay.